Hi there, Lauren Eibach here, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to download digital items from Etsy, specifically digital items that are intended for print, like this beautiful illustration from my friend Emily of Handwritten Hope, or something like my digital prayer guides that you can download, print, and use from my shop. So after I made my purchase from Handwritten Hope, I was directed to this screen that says thanks for your order, and down here it says view your digital files now. Now, for whatever reason, if you're not redirected here or you accidentally click out of the screen too fast, they have sent a receipt to your email. So this is what that email looks like. I received it about a minute after I made the purchase. If you're not seeing it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, and you can click to view your files on Etsy. So I'm just gonna click from here. Doesn't really matter which way, it's taking me to the same place. And as you can see, this print in particular has a few different variations, but I'm just gonna download the first one. And there it is. I can save it to my computer, to an external hard drive, print it, whatever, just so I always have it in either digital or print form. But I also receive a question a lot about what do I do if I didn't have it backed up, I changed computers or iPads, I can't find the email, how do I access my digital purchases? Well, as long as you have access to your Etsy account, you're good to go. So go up to the upper right hand corner and click your account, go down to purchases and reviews, and then you can see all of your purchases here and click download files. And then we're back to where we were to download. So I hope that was helpful and answers your questions. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.